Hey folks, my name is Steve, and today I am putting in the Craftsman 4-drawer module, the add-on for the Craftsman 6-foot workbench. The drawer module will go right there. I've just begun installation. First thing I've done is taken this panel right here, and as you can see up here, the holes line up. So this is the first part of the installation. That comes in the box with the 4 drawers. So I think it's going to be a fairly easy install, but we will find out and you can follow along. Okay, the side panel goes in very easy. Now you've got the part here where you're going to install your drawers. You're just going to need, as far as tools, you're going to need a 7/16 socket wrench. All right, at this point of the installation, you've got your sidewall put in, and then you've got the bottom crossbar put in, and that's very simple. It's simply just nuts and bolts. You are going to get 8 of these, and these are the drawer slides. So let me show you what you have to do to these. What you're going to do is flip it over like this, pull this inside part, and it's going to slide all the way out just like a regular drawer slide does. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it over, and this little black piece right there, you are going to depress that. You're going to slide this piece off, and this is the piece that is going to attach to the drawer. This large piece is going to attach to the main frame. Okay? Easy peasy. All right, that main piece is going to bolt under there on both sides of the cabinet. Right here you can see that I have 3 of the drawers installed and 1 more to go.